Hello Drainers, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nasis. We have another video for our folk dance library. In today's video, I'm going to teach you the dance Rabong. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Tap the post notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post videos like this. I just don't make dance covers, lifestyle vlogs. I also make folk dance videos so that I could help students so that they have something to research, and I hope that you understand that. But if you are not into this, you can just skip the video and find my dance covers, some tutorials, basta nandyan lang lahat. So, without any further talk, let's start the ball rolling.
Rabong, Figure 1A. Starting with the right foot, take 3 steps forward to meet at the center. Arms down at the sides, counts 1, 2, 1. Tap left foot across, right foot in rear, right arm in reverse D position, doing a kumintang, and left hand on the waist, count 2. That's 2 measures. 1, 2, 1, 2. Figure 1B. Repeat A, starting with the left foot and moving backward to places. Reverse position of arms. That's 2 measures. 1, 2, 1, 2. Figure 1C. Repeat A and B. That's 4 measures. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Figure 2A. Change step sideward, right and left. Do kumintang with right and left hands alternately. Free hand on the waist. That's 2 measures. 1, 2, 1, 2. Figure 2B. Touch step in front, right and left. Girl, holding skirt. Boys, hands on the waist. That's 2 measures. 1, 2, 1, 2. Figure 2C. Repeat A and B. That's 4 measures. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Figure 3. Repeat figure 1. Partners facing audience. Finish facing partner. That's 8 measures. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Figure 4A. Starting with the right foot, take 2 change steps forward to meet at the center. Hands as in figure 2A. That's 2 measures. 1, 2, 1, 2. Figure 4B. Repeat figure 2B. That's 2 measures. 1, 2, 1, 2. Figure 4C. Repeat A and B, moving backward to places in A. That's 4 measures. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Congratulations to all of us, most especially to you, my drainers. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, my videos. I can't thank you enough. We just reached 1,000 subscribers, and as promised, you can just message me if you have soft copy ng mga dance literatures natin, yung ito, wait lang. So you can just message me kung anong need nyo na dance step or dance terms. I can send it to you through Messenger, Instagram. Pipicturean ko na lang siya, then share ko sa inyo. So yun, if you need it. So that's my promise, and thank you so much. I hope that you will continue supporting me, my channel, my videos. So thank you so much. And syempre, gusto ko din na sana may natutunan kayo sa mga videos na ina-upload ko dito sa YouTube. So yun, nagiging emotional naman tayo. So that's all for today. I hope that you learn a thing or two from this video, and if you do, please give it a big thumb. And if you do, that's it for today. I hope you learn a thing or two from this video, and if you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Tap the subscribe button and the bell button beside it so that you'll be notified every time I post video like this. You may also follow me on my social media accounts. Once again, I'm 𝙤𝙗𝙗𝙎 saying, let's embrace, love, and preserve our culture. Goodbye!